Today, I want us to talk about crypto investment for poor people and broke people. Before I begin, I want us to establish who is a broke somebody and who is a poor somebody. A broke somebody is someone who have a job but cannot meet up with all their needs with what they receive from their jobs. And a poor person is someone who have no job, have nothing to do. They are so desperate looking for a job. They want to get something that will help them, live a healthy life. Because when you are poor, you are broke, you don't live a healthy life. Whereas a broke person is someone who have a job, but what they are making from their job is not sufficient enough to actually pay their bills, give them the kind of lifestyle they want for themselves. So I don't know who you are or where you fit in this category. But I want to talk about how these people can get involved investing, build wealth, and become wealthy. It's not just about making money or having money. It's more of you are able to have enough to satisfy all your needs or all your wants. Take care of yourself, pay your bills, and have enough to take care of other things. But a broke person or a poor person cannot meet with all these demands. I always want to talk about crypto. Like, crypto is the way forward for me when it comes to this, but there are other ways you can go about it. But for this video, I want us to talk about cryptocurrency. I know you have your theory when it comes to crypto investment. You have different mindset or different information from friends, media, or someone who have lost money investing in cryptocurrency. I'm not here to tell you go and invest. I'm here to give you the advantage investing in cryptocurrency or any other asset. But before I continue, I want you to understand what cryptocurrency is all about. Like, generally, what is crypto? Look at crypto this way. Look at crypto as money for the internet. That's it. Don't go further than that. In the course of you watching this video, I want to give you some examples for you to understand more widely about the crypto ecosystem, different projects or different cryptos out there, what they represent, and so on and so forth. For a start, let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin all about? Bitcoin is considered as a store of value. A store of value means it's something or an asset that when you buy, it appreciates in value over a long period of time. That's what Bitcoin is all about. Ethereum is a smart contract. That's what Ethereum is all about. Now, many people, the media have painted Bitcoin as something bad or as going to zero or as something which is not good for anyone out there to invest in. Well, I think that most people buy these arguments because they don't actually understand the core basic or the core value or the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. Before you even go further to understand Bitcoin or crypto, you need to understand what money is all about or the fundamentals of money. Money have acted as a medium of exchange always throughout, like the existence of money. But actually, what is money? Money is something that governments agree to worth something, or people generally agree that, okay, this piece of paper worth this much or worth this amount. You agree that 1,000 euros can buy a smartphone. It's gonna buy a smartphone, right? So these are the values of money acting as a medium of exchange. Money can never act as a store of value because government keep printing money every now and then, and that leads to inflation. Prices of goods and services increase every day, but there's not gonna be a day that $1,000 bill gonna change to $2,000 bill, right? When you hold it, like, or keep it in the bank. So what actually I'm saying here is money gives you the opportunity to buy stuff online, but a store of value gives you the opportunity to accumulate more of that money in the future if, say, you want to exchange that asset into money. So Bitcoin is considered as a store of value just like gold. This is an argument that most Bitcoiners or most crypto investors raise every now and then, and they are able to do this because the max supply of Bitcoin is 21 million no more, no less. 21 million of Bitcoin will ever exist in this world. And every time a new Bitcoin is released to the market after every 4 years, Bitcoin is taken out of circulation. That leads to deflation, meaning Bitcoin is a deflationary currency. And if, say, there's high demand for an asset which is considered as a store of value, that's how the price will go up. Because when more people keep buying that asset, the price will always go up. The law of demand and supply comes in. The more a particular asset is demanded, the more the price increase, right? So that's why you saw Bitcoin left from $1 right up to almost $70,000 per Bitcoin. And right now, at the time of this video, Bitcoin is at about $16,800, almost $17,000. Now that you understand money, you understand crypto in like the fundamentals, how it is, you understand asset, why Bitcoin is considered as an asset, I want to give you now the reason why you should buy Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at it this way. When you get salary as a broke person, or let's say you are a poor person, you don't have money, and you manage to get some money from your friends. Maybe your friend gives you money to buy stuff, buy food, or maybe do some stuff. You don't have a job, you are poor, right? So what do you do to enable you to build wealth from scratch and become wealthy in the future? You start buying assets that are valuable or that appreciate in value over a long period of time. Before, most people buy stocks, which is common in the developing world. But in Africa and other less developing countries, everyone don't have that luxury to buy stocks because it's expensive. And also, there are people who buy land. And right now, you can confirm with me, or you can agree with me, that not everyone can afford a piece of land because it's so expensive. Let's just say you are someone who have little or no money. Like, let's say, for example, you are able to have just $100 every month, or let's say $100 every year, right? Let's assume that way, that's what you can have. You can afford, every year, just $100. What you can do is start saving that money in an asset that you can afford. And the only available asset that you can buy right now at a lesser price is Bitcoin or any other crypto out there like Ethereum. And I'm saying this because you can buy Bitcoin just by going to your app store, download any wallet, then buy Bitcoin, go to any shop, or like contact anyone who is dealing with Bitcoin, and they can send you Bitcoin. Not only Bitcoin, you can buy any other crypto, but I'm using Bitcoin as an example because I want you to understand more as to what crypto is all about, or Bitcoin, which is the first ever cryptocurrency created. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency which is considered as a smart contract. A smart contract meaning applications are built on the Ethereum blockchain that self-execute themselves, right? Let's say right now you are a lawyer and I come to you with a friend. We want to do a contract that, okay, if say I am able to provide $1,000 or 1,000 euros, you are going to give me a land, and that lawyer is like the middleman between us. So if say I'm able to give you that $1,000, the lawyer is there to testify that, or to be a middleman, so that we don't have problems, or whenever we have problems, the lawyer can help to resolve the problem. Or maybe we have an agreement and in the end I don't meet my own part of the agreement. You can now we can now visit the lawyer to help mitigate the whole situation. Ethereum is acting as that platform that allow developers to build applications on the Ethereum blockchain to execute itself, right? Let's say a lawyer now is on the Ethereum blockchain, and that lawyer have a smart contract. If one person who owns Bitcoin and the other person owns the land, and the person who owns the land says, for you to buy my land you need 1 Bitcoin, and if say I pay the Bitcoin through the Ethereum blockchain, it will self-execute itself and give me the authority or the right to own that land. So in a nutshell, Ethereum is more of that, like acting as a smart contract that self-execute itself. Now there are other cryptos out there which represent different blockchains, and these different blockchains, they have different functions, just as Ethereum. Ethereum is the #1 blockchain when it comes to smart contract. Other blockchains have been built on Ethereum, or other platform built on Ethereum, to facilitate transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why when you see investors buying any crypto out there, I mean investors who understand what they are buying, they are buying because of the functionality of this blockchain or what problems these blockchains are solving. We have many tokens out there that represent projects on this blockchain. I cannot name all of them right now, but in the course of you being part of my network, which I recommend you to right now to go below this video to connect with me through my network, join my Telegram group, and also connect with me through Patreon so that I can answer most questions. I cannot give you everything on this video. Remember, I'm trying to establish the fact that investing in cryptocurrency is the right thing for you to do as someone who is broke or someone who have little or no income, like someone who is poor, right? So now, whenever you receive money every month, you need to allocate part of that money to buy an asset. And if you say this money is representing your savings, then you can buy Bitcoin. Again, you can allocate another part of that money to buy or to invest in other assets, be it Ethereum, right? And the reason why you're going to be buying Ethereum is going to be because of the problems Ethereum is solving. Investors invest in entrepreneurs who are solving problems. Most of the applications that run on the blockchains are solving problems. So if say you are investing in cryptocurrency, don't look at it as if you want to make money quick. No, there is no quick making money with cryptocurrency. No, you are investing for your future. Just like you save money in the bank or you buy bonds, you are buying that bonds or you are saving money because of the future, right? Because of what you want to do in the future. So when you are buying any crypto asset out there, after you must have done your own due diligence, like go through more studies or take more educational courses or like watch more videos about crypto investment. Once you have decided to buy any crypto, you are going to be doing it for the long term. And when you buy it today, it's not the end of it. You don't buy and sit, wait for it to, no. You buy, keep buying. Remember, you are building wealth for the future because you don't have money, right? You want something that will help you after your retirement. In the course of you working, build something that will help you after you must have retired, from your job. So this will help you to build wealth with cryptocurrency. The ideology that crypto is bad or crypto is that is because crypto is so volatile. And if say you want to look at the future, then you're going to understand that the volatility is for a short-term period. It's not forever. There's always different cycle in any financial market. And in crypto, we have what we call the bull and the bear market. And during the bull market, prices goes up, and during the bear market, prices goes down. The reason why prices goes down is because those who have invested long time ago are taking out profit. Meanwhile, those who are investing right now have to wait, until the next cycle before they can start making money. And as you wait during the bear cycle, what you do is accumulating, like keep buying. We call it DCA, dollar cost average. You keep buying. When the prices goes down, it gives you more opportunity to enter the market at a cheaper rate. You keep buying. If say you do this for 5 years consistently, trust me, you are gonna build wealth. You're gonna accumulate a lot of this asset that you can use to hedge against inflation. Let's say, for example, over the next 5 years, you are able to invest just 500 euros, and this 500 euros wake up one day and 1000x, like 1000x. Multiply 500 times 1000. That's the amount you can make investing in any asset out there, particularly cryptocurrency, because crypto can wake up and skyrocket. Now, something that most people don't understand is how to actually make money in cryptocurrency. If say you want to understand how to make money in cryptocurrency, again, make sure you are connected with me. Go below this video, connect with me through Patreon, or be part of my Telegram group, so that I can help you go through this process. You need to understand when to take out profit, when to buy more, or when to just sit and watch at the market, watch at what is going on. So what I'm saying here is, for you to actually start investing in cryptocurrency as a poor person or as a broke person without any mentorship or without any guidance, it's going to be difficult for you. This video is to guide you, is to tell you that there's someone who can help you step by step as you embark on this goal. You don't have to do it alone. You don't have to come into the market, invest without you knowing what you are doing. I'm here. I can guide you throughout your investment journey. Tell you what are the different projects out there that you can buy that have high potential to make you money. Of course, what I do is not financial advice. No, I'm doing this just for educational purpose only. I invest in most of these projects and I want to share with people out there so that they can understand. You buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, or buying crypto have nothing to do with me. It won't change me in any way. It's not my business. Crypto is not my business. Bitcoin is not my business. I'm someone who just wants people to understand how they can come out from poverty, how they can transform their lives and become something great in the future. So I believe this video is a one step forward to help you get started with your investment journey. So if say you're interested, go below this video, connect with me so I can educate you one-on-one. You can also use this number on WhatsApp to reach out to me. From there we can book an appointment, on maybe have a meeting on Zoom so that we can discuss one-on-one and set up a proper schedule on how you can start investing. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button because this is the end of this video, and you subscribing to this video is going to help you to get my other content, because I talk about crypto every day. I create content that will help people, investors, or anyone out there who is willing to get into the crypto space. So go right now and subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Until then, see you when you connect with me. Bye bye.